Social Science, Standard 9, History, Unit 1, Evolution of Humans and Society, Prehistoric Period, Part 4, Prehistoric Tamilagam. Prehistoric Tamilagam. In this part, we are going to learn about lower Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu, Middle Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu, Mesolithic culture in Tamil Nadu, Neolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. Lower Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. One of the oldest Stone Age tools in the world made by human ancestors called hominins had been produced in Tamil Nadu. These stone tools are found near the Chennai region at several sites, especially at Attirampakkam. The archaeological excavations at this site and cosmic ray exposure dating of the artifacts suggest that the people lived here about 1.5 to 2 million years ago. The Kosasthalayar river is one of the major cradles of human ancestors in the world. The people who lived here belong to the species of Homo erectus. Archaeological excavation refers to digging undertaken to recover archaeological evidence such as stone tools, pottery, animal bones, and pollens in order to understand the past lifestyle of humans. Cosmic ray exposure dating, a method in which exposure to cosmogenic rays is used for dating the samples. In 1863, Sir Robert Bruce Foote, a geologist from England, first discovered Paleolithic tools at Pallavaram near Chennai. They are the earliest finds of such tools in India. Hence, the hand axe assemblies were considered the Madras stone tool industry. The tools that he discovered are now housed in the Chennai Museum. The Paleolithic people hunted wild animals and gathered the naturally available fruits, roots, nuts, and leaves. They did not have knowledge of iron and pottery making, which developed much later in history. Hand axes and cleavers are the important tool types of the lower Paleolithic period. These tools fitted with a wooden and bone handle were used for cutting, piercing, and ticking. The people of this time used hammerstones and spheroids. The quartzite pebbles and cobbles were chosen as raw materials. The tools are found in the soil deposits and also in the exposed riverside. They occur at Pallavaram, Kudiyam Cave, Attirampakkam, Erumai, Vettipalayam, and Parikayam. The lower Paleolithic tools are also found in the North Arcot and Dharmaburi districts. The people belonging to this period used basalt rocks for manufacturing artifacts. However, the southern part of Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka do not have evidence of lower Paleolithic culture. Basalt rock are igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are those formed from the molten lava from the earth. The lower Paleolithic culture is datable to about 2 to 1.5 million years at Thirampakkam. This is cultural pace continued in other parts of India up to 60,000 years ago. Middle Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. In the course of time, the Middle Paleolithic culture emerged during 385,000 to 172,000 years ago. The tool types of this period underwent a change and small artifacts were used. Coarse flakes, scrapers, knives, porous, Levalloisians, flakes, hand axe, and cleavers are the artifact types of this period. Compared to the previous phase, these tool types became smaller in size. Evidence for the Middle Paleolithic culture can be observed in some parts of Tamil Nadu. In the southern part of Tamil Nadu, at T. Pudupatti and Sivarakotai, artifacts of the Middle Paleolithic tools have been collected. Also near Tanjavur and Ariyalur, similar artifacts have been found. Mesolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. In many parts of the world and in some parts of India, the Upper Paleolithic culture succeeded the Middle Paleolithic culture. There is no evidence for the Upper Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu, but the people who used microliths or small stone artifacts lived in many parts of Tamil Nadu. Since this cultural period occurs between Paleolithic and Neolithic culture, is known as Mesolithic culture or Middle Stone Age. Evidence for the existence of Mesolithic under others is found at Chennai, North Arcot, Tharmapuri, Salem, Coimbatore, Ariyalur, Tiruchirappalli, Pudukottai, Madurai, Sivagangai, Tirunelveli, and Kanyakumari. The Theri sites near Thoothukudi have evidence of microlithic artifacts. These sites have red sand dunes called Theris. The people of this period used small artifacts made of chet and quartz. The two types are scrapers, lunates, and triangles. These people hunted wild animals and gathered fruits, nuts, and roots for their subsistence. Scrapers are tools used for scraping the surfaces. Scrapers are similar to the tools used in the kitchen for removing skin of vegetables. Triangles are tools in the shape of triangles. Lunates are tools in the shape of a crescent. Neolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. The culture that domesticated animals and cultivated crops is called Neolithic is known as New Stone Age. The Neolithic people used polished stone axes called cells. Cattle rearing was their main occupation. They lived in small villages with houses made of thatched roof and walls plastered with day. Evidence of Neolithic village is found at Payyamballi in Vellore district and a few sites in the Tharmapuri region. Payyamballi is village in Vellore district of Tamil Nadu. The earliest evidence for this domestication of animals and cultivation of plants is found at this site, which was excavated by the Archaeological Survey of India. Evidence for pottery making and cultivation of horse gram and green gram has been found in this village. Thank you. We will see the next part.